Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Bash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping, hi girl, hey boy, kindly hit the subscribe button and join the YouTube family. So for today guys, I'll be teaching you how to get a flawless foundation. You know, if you apply your foundation and it looks cakey, it's not giving skin, don't worry, I got you. I'm going to teach you tips on how to apply your foundation for it to come out perfectly, seamlessly, flawlessly. If that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. For a flawless makeup, right, you will need some essentials like, your moisturizer, your primer. We are starting off with a clean, bare face. Make sure your face is clean. So now moving on to moisturizer, I'll be using the Blossom Makeup Skincare Moist Essence. So you need to start with a clean and moisturized face. Moisturizer helps to keep the face pumped and hydrated throughout the entire day. Do not skip moisturizing. Always make sure that your moisturizer is properly blended into your skin. So the next step is primer. Primer helps to make your foundation glide on smoothly. It creates like a base. Primer grips, like it helps to grip your foundation so that your foundation stays put throughout the entire day. 2 pumps of primer is enough. And when you're priming your face, always avoid underneath your eyes. You do not prime underneath your eyes. To achieve a flawless makeup, always ensure that you're choosing a foundation shade that matches your exact skin shade, your exact skin tone, your exact undertone. You don't want to go out and your face is looking different from your body. It does not make sense. So always make sure that you're using a foundation that matches your overall appearance, your overall color. I have a extremely detailed beginner-friendly video on foundation. I'm going to link that somewhere. If you have a dry skin, you need to go for foundations that are hydrating, because it doesn't make sense if your skin is dry and you're using a dry foundation. It's going to crack. Do you get? And likewise, if you have oily skin, you should use a matte foundation or oil-free foundation to control the production of shine throughout the day. But if you have a dry skin and you already have like a foundation that is matte, all you need to do is mix a little bit of your facial oil, a little bit of your facial oil to create a dewy finish. When applying your foundation, use a damp beauty blender, not soaking wet, not dry. When you put it inside water, make sure you squeeze it properly, or you use a foundation brush. A foundation brush is usually thick, so you either use a beauty sponge or you use a foundation brush. To avoid a cakey foundation, apply your foundation in thin layers. That means build it gradually. Instead of applying everything to your face at the same time, apply in small quantities and blend before you add extra. Instead of packing everything to your face once, then if you now need more, you can go ahead to add. That way it is going to help you control the amount that you put, because to be honest, if you put a lot, it's going to get difficult to blend. When applying foundation to your forehead, apply it in little amount and always blend it towards your hairline to create like a seamless finish. The remaining product on your beauty blender, you can just take it down towards your jaw area. If you want like a natural no makeup look, instead of using like a foundation, you can switch it up for like a tinted moisturizer, or you can use a foundation that has a very light or medium coverage. So now to set my entire face, I'll be using the Kiss Beauty Setting Spray. To seal everything, I'll be using So Pro Silhouette Finishing Spray. This is what it looks like. So guys, that is the completed look. I hope you love it. Please give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.